guys, so I'm gonna show you how to get started with your new Deluxe Air Fryer and Oven. I just opened mine up and washed all the accessories, and I'm gonna show you how to put it together. So it will have two crumb trays. That's this silver base, and there will be one in the top oven and one in the bottom oven. Now, you do have to have this like all the way to the edge so that the door can open all the way to be able to get it in the bottom. So did I say I already washed these off and dried them? So you'll always want to do that to get off any kind of dust or debris from the manufacturing. Okay, so we've got those in, one on the top, one on the bottom. And then we have our air fryer racks. These are the mesh trays, one for the top, one for the bottom. And they have a little groove that it'll slide in and just fits right in. You want to make sure that it's in the groove and not just sitting on the bottom. And then we also have these additional accessories. We have the wire rack and what did they call this? The sheet pan. Now the wire rack will fit in a groove and the sheet pan sits on top of the wire rack. It's a little bit more narrow, so it doesn't slide into the grooves, but it will sit on the sheet rack. Okay, so then getting started, we're gonna do our test run, and you just, can you see that? Yep, just push the button and it says, let's get cooking, woo! So it's plugged in, obviously. All right, so then I'm gonna turn the dial. I'm gonna hit top, okay? So that's gonna heat up the top oven. I'm gonna turn the dial till it lights up bake. It's over here. I don't know if you can see it from there. And then we're gonna click that to select, click. And then the default is 350 degrees for 15 minutes. This is just a test run, so I'm gonna turn it to 2 minutes. That's what it says in the instructions, 2 minutes. So just rotate the dial and then click that to select. And then it says preheat. It's preheating, and that's it. So it's going to preheat for a moment. Let me read the directions because that's as far as I got. Oh, and one thing I did want to point out, I don't know if I can open the bottom. Yep. The baking tray is in the bottom. So when you open up your air fryer, it's underneath taped in the styrofoam, but it's on the bottom. So make sure that you don't forget about this, because then you'll be calling me and saying, hey, how come I didn't get the baking tray? It's on the bottom. So all of the other accessories are in the very top styrofoam. The baking tray is in the bottom. So that's just gonna preheat and then bake for the test run for 2 minutes. And it said the light will come on when there's 1 minute left, so you can kind of be watching and getting excited for when your food's gonna be done. So I'm gonna be trying this out very soon because it seems just a little intimidating, but I think anytime there's something new, it just takes a little bit of getting used to. So one more thing to keep in mind when you are setting up your new air fryer and oven is it says it wants 6 inches of space on both sides, above it, and in the back. So I'll probably push it back when we're not using it and then pull it forward when we are using it. So it's the same height as the old air fryer, but it is a bit wider so that you have all of this extra capacity. Ooh, I can see those heating elements. Can you see they're orange? Can see it heating up. And the other thing, it gave me the warning paper that said, don't touch it. It'll get hot. So make sure that you're aware and taking your safety precautions of not touching it while it's cooking, because it may or may not be hot and it may burn you, but it's kind of the same idea as your oven. You don't want to stick things in there when it's running because it's hot. So anyways, that's getting started, and I will be cooking here soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.